Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert currencies on PayPal. If you have money in one currency and you want to change it into another inside your PayPal account, the process is very simple. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. This is especially useful if you're dealing with international payments, freelancing clients in different countries, or online shopping where prices show in foreign currencies. To begin, open PayPal and go to your wallet. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you use PayPal for both personal and business transactions, so you don't mix up balances. Once you're there, select your PayPal balance. This is the section where you can view the currencies currently available in your account. If you hold more than one currency, you'll be able to see each one listed separately, which makes it easy to choose the balance you want to work with next. This is really helpful if you're receiving payments from different countries and want to manage everything in one place. Find the currency you want to convert. On that currency line, click the three dots to open more options. This menu gives you access to actions related to that specific balance, so make sure you're selecting the correct currency before moving on from the menu. Taking a second here helps you avoid converting the wrong balance, especially if you have similar amounts in different currencies. Choose Convert Currency. This will open the conversion screen where PayPal lets you switch your funds from one currency to another directly within your account. It's a useful feature if you're preparing to send money, make a purchase in another currency, or simply organize your balance the way you prefer. Many users also use this before withdrawing funds to their bank in a preferred currency to avoid extra conversion later. Now select the currency you want to convert your money into. Take a moment here to double-check the target currency so you don't accidentally convert it into the wrong one. Since exchange rates can vary, it's always a good idea to review what you're choosing before continuing. Sometimes, even small rate differences can affect how much you receive, especially on larger amounts. After that, enter the total amount you want to convert, then click Next. If you don't want to convert your entire balance, you can simply type in the specific amount you need. This gives you flexibility, especially if you want to keep some funds in the original currency. It's often smart to leave a small amount unconverted if you frequently receive payments in that same currency. On the next screen, review the details carefully, including the amount you're converting and the currency you're converting into. If everything looks correct, click Confirm. Once you do that, PayPal will complete the conversion and your updated balance should reflect the new currency. This step is important because once confirmed, the conversion usually happens instantly based on the current exchange rate shown on screen. And that's it. That's how to convert currencies on PayPal. It only takes a few moments. And once you know where to look, it's very straightforward. If you're following along, just move slowly, check each selection before confirming, and you should be all set. This small feature can really help you manage international payments more efficiently and avoid unnecessary currency conversion fees in the long run.